you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, wealth, and happiness, while others struggle their whole lives without reaching their goals? What if I told you that the key to transforming your life is within you, waiting to be discovered? Welcome to our video on the true power of the law of attraction and how you can apply it to change your life once and for all. Get ready, because what you're about to learn might be the missing piece in your life's puzzle. Pay close attention to every detail in this video, because every minute could be the difference between staying where you are and achieving your boldest dreams. To truly understand the law of attraction, we first need to talk about the law of vibration. Everything in the universe is in constant motion, including your thoughts. When you think, you emit vibrations that attract things on the same frequency. That's why, when you focus on problems and difficulties, more problems seem to arise. But when you focus on what you want, you start attracting those things into your life. Think about it for a moment. What kind of thoughts have you been sending out into the universe lately? Imagine your mind is a giant magnet. Everything you think and feel intensely is drawn to you. This means that if you constantly worry about debts, you will continue to attract more debts. But if you start visualizing abundance and wealth, your mind starts working to bring those things into your reality. This isn't magic, science, and it's something that all great thinkers and leaders throughout history have understood and applied in their lives. Let me tell you a story. Bob Proctor, one of the greatest personal development experts, was in a desperate financial situation. He earned only $4,000 a year and owed $6,000. For anyone, that would seem like an impossible situation to escape, but Bob did something extraordinary. He wrote on a card that he wanted to earn $225,000. He read this card every day, several times a day. And guess what? In less than a year, he was earning $14,500 a month cleaning offices. What changed? His mindset. Adopting an abundance mindset means seeing yourself already in possession of your goals. This is something many people don't fully understand. You need to visualize your success and feel it emotionally. When you do this, you put yourself on the right frequency to attract what you want. It's like tuning a radio station. You can't hear the music until you adjust the dial to the correct frequency. And the same thing happens with your goals. Quantum physics tells us that everything in the universe is energy, including our thoughts. And this energy is constantly moving and changing form. When you focus your thoughts and emotions on something you want, you begin to shape that energy to create the reality you desire. This is what it means to be in harmony with the law. It means that your thoughts, emotions, and actions are all aligned with your goals. How to apply the law of attraction? How exactly can you start applying this powerful law in your life today? Let's explore that further. But first, let's understand the crucial role your emotions play in this process. Your emotions are like an amplifier for your thoughts. The more intensely you feel something, faster you attract it into your life. That's why it's so important to maintain a positive and grateful attitude, even in the face of difficulty. Gratitude, in particular, is a powerful force that can transform your life. When you are grateful for what you already have, you make room to receive even more. And that brings us to a crucial point. As I mentioned earlier, everything in the universe is in constant motion, including you. This means that your vibrations are always changing and adjusting to your mindset and emotions. To attract positive things, you need to vibrate at a high frequency, which means keeping positive thoughts and feelings. Imagine you are tuning a radio. To hear the right station, you need to adjust the dial. The same goes for your goals and desires. Adjust your vibrations to the right frequency, and you will start to attract what you want. At this point, my thought is that you can take advantage of this content and learn more about how to transform your life. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now, let's talk about a practical tool you can start using today: the vision board. Grab a poster board and start pasting images that represent your goals and desires. Place this board somewhere you can see it every day. This simple but powerful practice keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind and helps align your vibrations with them. Remember, what you see and feel every day becomes part of your reality. Making a decision is a crucial step in the attraction process. When you firmly decide what you want, you change the frequency of your brain. You put yourself on the frequency where you start to attract what you desire. Decision is the starting point for all achievement. It's like turning on a car's engine. Nothing happens until you start it. Think of Oprah Winfrey. She was born into extreme poverty but made the decision to change her life. She visualized her success and worked tirelessly to achieve it. Today, she is one of the richest and most influential women in the world. Her story is a testament to the power of decision and a positive mindset. Have you ever imagined what your life would be like if you could attract everything you want? Let's explore that more deeply soon. But first, let's discuss a fundamental concept that many people overlook: the law of action. The law of attraction doesn't work alone. It needs to be combined with the law of action. This means you need to take steps to achieve your goals. You can't just sit and wait for things to happen. You need to act in accordance with your positive thoughts and emotions. Think of it as planting a seed. You need to water it, care for it, and protect it for it to grow. Start small. Set daily and weekly goals that bring you closer to your objectives. Every small step counts. And remember, consistency is key. Keep moving forward, even when you face obstacles. Consistent action, combined with a positive mindset, is a surefire recipe for success. Start with an affirmation, commit to action, and write in the comments of this video, "I will attract good things." Firm this in your mind. But this is just the beginning. When you combine visualization with action, you create a clear path to success. This not only attracts the things you desire, but also transforms you into a more determined and resilient person. And that brings us to the next point. Resilience is the ability to recover quickly from difficulty. It's a crucial quality for anyone seeking to achieve great things. When you face challenges with a positive and resilient mindset, you not only overcome obstacles, but also become stronger with each experience. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, who failed countless times before inventing the electric light bulb. He said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His persistence and resilience are a powerful example of how the combination of a positive mindset and action can lead to success. Every challenge is a disguised opportunity. When you face difficulties, you have the chance to grow and learn. Adopt the mindset that every obstacle is a valuable lesson that brings you closer to your goals. And remember, you are not alone. There is a community of people who believe in the law of attraction and are here to support you. Joining a community of people who share your goals and beliefs can be incredibly powerful. You can find inspiration, support, and valuable advice, and together you can achieve extraordinary things. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that, when combined with a positive mindset and consistent action, can transform your life in amazing ways. Start today by visualizing your goals, feeling gratitude for what you already have, and taking concrete steps to achieve your dreams. Remember, you have the power to create the life you want. It all starts with a thought. So what will your next thought be? Share your experiences in the comments. We want to know how the law of attraction is transforming your life. And don't forget to watch the next video that will appear on the end screen. I hope this video has been helpful for you. And if you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.